Yeah. August 13, 2026. Carolina Lake, stand up.
Fayetteville, we right down the road.
You already know who pulled up. Boom, 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 boom. Papa looking tired. Call us a shine. Don't worry about it. We're on the scene. We don't cut corners. We clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Stains be gone. Stains be gone. Make the dirty carpet gone. Clean that towel. Clean that grout. Clean the shit and dog. Dow, dow, dow. Moving ready, moving ready. Everything clean, everything fresh. Tackle on the lakes, you know the names. Stains be gone, we change the game. Clean, 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 clean. Hey, Vigo. On the Carolina Lakes, truck mount really. Heavy equipment and the pressure stay steady. Walk through the door, yeah, we know the mission. Get this whole house ready for the transition. Carpet downstairs, carpet upstairs. When stains be gone, pulls up, we handle with care. Pre-spray down, let the chemistry work. Kill it tight, don't pivot, pull out all that dirt. Hot water extraction, watch the wand glide. Fresh, clean passes with the vacuum applied. Lines in the carpet, looking sharp and straight. New homeowners coming, gotta make it look great. But hold up, we ain't finished yet. Yeah, we coming for that net. Now the carpet looking in brand new. Who got the carpet up brand new? Who got the grout coming clean too? Who pulled up in Carolina Lakes? And when William gets finished, stains be gone. Stains be gone. Make the dirty carpet gone. Clean that grout. Clean that grout. Watch us bring the shine back out. Moving ready. Moving ready. Everything clean, everything fresh. Carolina Lakes, you know the next. We gone, we changed that. Carpet, till, carpet, grout. Clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Now we stepping in the kitchen, take a look at that tile. Grout been holding dirt for a little while, but that's alright, this is what we do. Hit every line and bring the original look through, solution down. Give it time to dwell, professional cleaning, you can always tell. Pressure doing work, extracting that grime. Watch the grout lines change one line at a time. From dull letting dirty to a cleaner presentation. That's that stains be gone, transformation. Work done, time done, ground line done. Now tell the new owners, come on home. Because when you get those keys, you don't want yesterday's dirt. You want fresh, you want clean, you want and clean for the new family. Coming on the lakes, say our name. Be gone. Be gone. Be gone. Ooh, when that carpet needs some love.